How to use WeChat. It is really easy to use. So the first thing you want to do is, if you don't already have the app, you want to download WeChat. Just type in WeChat. It's going to be that login, the option with the two text icons on it. And it's a relatively safe app. I've been using it for about a year now. I've been in China for a few months, and it's really safe, surprisingly. And I was not really sketched out at first, but sort of suspicious. But without further ado, the first thing you do is, once you actually get the app, is you want to create a login. Now, you're going to be brought into like a login page where you just want to create an account if you already don't have one. But what this app basically does is, it's the messaging system in China that everyone in China uses to just communicate. Like, this is like the WhatsApp plus Instagram plus social media plus every single app all in one. Now, how you use it is, there's a few different ways you can message people, obviously, by in the top right hand corner clicking on the plus icon, adding contacts, or scanning person's QR code to add contacts, or creating new chats. You can just add any people to a group just like this. It's really easy versus just like typing in people's name, like iMessage or Android messages, for example. And once you actually create a chat, you can just type in anything. And the good thing about this app is it can basically translate any messages instantly. As you can see, this person sent me something in Chinese. You hold on the message, click on translate. You can see that it actually just translates the message instantly into whatever language your app is already set to. Mine's set to English, so that's why I did it to English. But you can also make payments on this app just by clicking on the scan option or the money option. You can just attach your card by going over to the me option and clicking on pay and services, where you can actually add your card here just by clicking on the money option, add card. I'm not going to show it just because it's my card. And you can even add travel and transportation, just add call taxis, DDs from this app. It's really easy to do. Pay health bills. And if you just want to scroll on social media, you just go to chats, 3 lines at the top, and you can actually click on any of these videos. These are some that my friend sent me, and they're basically floating, which means I can watch them while scrolling in this app. And the Discover page, you can actually just see all of these different options. Moments are basically like notes on Instagram, just like key moments in people's lives, like this is a Chinese receipt, or people's life that I just follow and I'm friends with on this app. And yeah, it's basically really easy to do. You can send files. It's basically a do-it-all-in-one app. You don't have to have 500 apps on your phone. And yeah, it's really safe. I really recommend it. And honestly, it's easier than I would have ever thought.